Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Christmas video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Christmas tree kaiju. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Christmas tree kaiju, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a circle, or even I guess I should say an oval shape for the eye. I'm going to bring a line above and a line below and a little line here for some detail. Next, starting here, I'm going to make some kind of pointed lines. They're just going to come right across here. And then I'm just going to make some more pointed lines that just kind of come right across here. I'm going to make some lines that are just going to kind of come up and back like this. And I'm going to bring this down and then kind of come back down here. You can see it's kind of looking like it's curving. Now, right here, I'm going to make some lines that are just going to kind of come down and up here. I'm going to bring this down, and I'm going to put some more kind of pointed lines right here. Make a little bump here and a little curve here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to kind of go up and down, and then back up and down for the tongue. Then we're going to curve a little line here for the mouth. Right here, I'm going to make a pointed line that's just going to come out and down, some bumps. And then one here that's just going to come out and then down. I'm going to make a little pointed finger right there. And then I'm going to make some pointed fingers right here. We'll do one more coming off there. Over here, I'm going to make another little curve for an eye. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come up. We're going to make a line that's going to curve around for a pointed finger. I want to make a couple sharp pointy ones right here. I want to make some more points kind of coming back too. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and it's going to come down. I want it to look kind of like a tree branch, so I'm just going to kind of make these squiggly little lines, or I should say a tree trunk. Bring this up and in here, and then bring it up here. Now we're going to do one more. I'm going to make this one more straight so it looks like it's walking. I want to make some bumpy little lines right along here, or some roots. Then I'm going to bring this line up, make it kind of bumpy. I'm going to make some long kind of little broken lines with even some swirls in here to kind of make it look like it's the bottom of like a tree trunk or something for like our Christmas tree kaiju. And we'll do that same thing here, just these kind of long broken lines right around all over here. Now on top, I'm going to make a star. I'm going to make a little bump here and a little point here. Make another one here and one here. And then one point at the top. I'm going to make some of these lines come in a little bit for some detail. Give a little bit more of like a three-dimensional look. We can even do that on the arms too. A couple little lines here. I'm even going to put a few more kind of little bumps everywhere just to make it look like there's a little bit of texture on here. You can even put on like the fingers and everything too. And then finally, I'm going to put some small circles on here just so it kind of looks like ornaments, but just kind of giving our little Christmas tree kaiju some extra detail. We're just going to put these little circles all over. And just kind of makes it a little bit more fun and adds some detail onto it. A couple more here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Christmas tree kaiju. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.